As you know, you can use assembly features, for instance extruded cut. Usually you want this feature only to appear on the assembly. However, sometimes you want the feature to appear on the part also. To achieve this, edit the feature and put a checkmark in Propagate feature to part. The feature will now appear on the part.